and welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway videos production. Today I'm here at Clayton, the new skyrail station. Got a Siemens set to pod, 2,525 T, 749 M, 819 M, 2,560 T and 820 M. So obviously this is a newly rebuilt station. It's part of the skyrail project.
No, I'm security on the platform.
We have got a Siemens set arriving for a city loop service. Not sure where this train's originated from.
We have got a Siemens arriving for Flynn Street service. Stopping all stations to Oakley, running express Oakley to Maryvale,
711 M, 2,560, 712 M, 782 M, 2,541 T, and the rear cars 781 M. And we've got the train now departing. Sorry for the obscure camera angle. It's actually quite a nice day, a bit chilly, but that's alright. Bit of sun. Alright, I might give a little tour of the station. Just a quick look at the station. Obviously there's lots of equipment still here. It's not complete yet. I'm not sure what this this little structure is. They're exit signs, so it may or might be just an emergency exit. Don't know if it's a regular use exit. It's currently locked. There's a little gap up here. Anyway, you can see the car park up here. New parking spaces available. You might be able to just see through there. Anyway, just like Noble Park, you get good views of the surrounds. So I'm on platform 1, it's an island platform here. I think it used to have 2 side platforms. Not that it really matters when you've got a platform this wide. This is the main side, the major side of Clayton. So you can see the intricate design. Don't know how well it will do at keeping out the rain. That's fine, for now at least. Just walking up to the other end. See the escalators, they're up and running. Or at least one of the escalators are up and running. And here are the stairs. And I'll just walk up to the end of the platform where I'll film the next train, which might even be coming. Lifts aren't quite ready yet. Got a Comminge coming now. Just Alston refurbished. Pakenham service. 553 M, 1,127 T, 554 M, 291 M, 1,000 47T and 392M. So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of space between the train and the end of the platform. That's to accommodate the high capacity trains that should be running by next year. As we see the comments reply. Sorry for the shakiness. So just down at the concourse here at Clayton, you can see the escalators which aren't quite working properly yet. Number of posters in different languages, which is good. Here's the English one. Pause if you wish to read. Here's some construction photos, the moment when the boom gates went. Fitting out the station, view from underneath. This is a while ago, this one, with the comments still using the old line. The old station, and probably the beginning of works. Here is the ticketing area that you VIX readers. Show one that isn't disabled. And then there's the little temporary building, which I'm assuming is the ticketing area. There's some toilets in here. And a waiting room. No, waiting room. It's fun saying room the other way. Anyway, seating, great echo, and you can see the shops out there. This will all look pretty good once everything's been completed. Anyway, there's a train coming up. Are these doors going to open? Don't tell me I'm trucked in here. Oh, there's a press to exit button. Oh well. We have a comment departing 1080T and 476M. Single loop service, rear half is Alstom refurbished. Nice lighting actually. Sorry I didn't get to film that coming in. I was just downstairs exploring the concourse. We've got an Alstom refurbished comment arriving. It's a Cranbourne service. Called Cranbourne. M's leading. And it's now departing. Well, that's 111. 322M something. That's 500 and 408M. It's actually travelling quite quickly. Exploiting the new amounts of speed that can be achieved on skyrail, perhaps. And everything goes quiet. It's quite noisy when the trains are at the station, but not too much. But not too much worse than what it would be. So you can see that there's a nice path for workers on this side. And I might just come to this side because the Maryvale Paper Train's meant to pass through at some stage. And because the next train's been delayed, it's not till 12 minutes and they're usually every 10. I suspect that the Maryvale Paper Train will be on its way. We've got an EDR refurbished comment driving for a Pakenham service. Actually a bit of rain, a bit of a sun shower. Leading cars 304 and it's now departing. I think the rain's just very brief and it's disappeared. 1002 I think that car was the third last car was actually 550M. Apologies for that. That would make more sense. Just really hope the freight train does come. Probably wouldn't have priority over the other trains. Anyway, this skyrail station's obviously another part of the level crossing removal authorities plan. Oh, there's a train coming to Comminge. We've got a city loop service arriving. Trying my best to stay within the yellow line. It's Alston refurbished. I was hoping this would be the freight train. City loop service. Missed the front carriage. 1189T, 677M, 637M, 1169T, and 638M. One can actually see the lights of the next train coming from that direction. Unfortunately, I don't think it will be the freight train. Anyway, city loop service now departing. See if I can see the next train. It's disappeared a bit, probably just because it's covered by skyrail. The horns are really intense as the trains approach. It actually hurts my ears a bit. Another comment arriving. This wasn't very far behind the previous service, the previous up service, due to the delays on the Cranbourne line. With the new livery, 1000 and 2014, and the rear car is 347M. So you can see the new livery. It's actually got the car number on the front. It's good to finally see another one of these. In fact, since this video, actually I won't speculate on the upload schedule of this video. Kind of messed up this a bit. Hopefully no one's been train surfing. Anyway, it's now departing. I'm not sure about the new livery, if I like it or not. I guess it doesn't look too bad. I don't know if it's better than the previous one. Reminds me of the old Connex livery. With the stripes. We've got a Cranbourne service arriving. On the destination screen it said that the Traralgon service would be first to arrive, but looks like this train's slowing it up. .702M's leading. Not too far behind it. And we've got a Velocity arriving. This will be a Traralgon service. I think it's only 3 cars in length. I'm not sure where, in regards to the platform, it will stop. VL73, one of the newest Velocities, or one of the newer Velocities. And it's now departing. Jesus, that was loud. I think I'm gonna have some ear damage by the time I get home. At least the driver waved.
Attention customers on platform 1.
We've got an Alston refurbished commage arriving slowly. I somehow think that we won't be getting the freight train, unfortunately, in this video. It's probably been delayed significantly. That's the nature of freight. Can't really rely on it to stick to a timetable. Maybe it was 553M. And it's now departing. Or should be. And a Siemens set arriving for a Pakenham service. 801M's leading. Sorry for the poor shot. Got a seaman set arriving. With the rear car being 754M. So strangely enough, this area beyond this orange line is considered a safety zone and people aren't meant to enter this area, but I didn't know that. I've been filming from up there this whole time. So anyway, one day it won't be. We've got another velocity arriving us here at Clayton. This is obviously not taking passengers. Maybe a few people might be getting off here. There'll be a It's actually an announcement for it, even though no one's meant to be getting on this train. VL43 is leading, it's a 6-car train. Quite empty. Rear 3 cars are VL20. Old velocity sets. And the train's now departing. I guess the benefit of the open design is that the amount of diesel you breathe in is reduced. And now a Comenge. Cranman service. Leading 1001T, 301M, 1168T, and 636M. we've got a seaman set arriving, which will be the final train in the video. Unfortunately, the Maryvale Paper Train never turned up. It's alright. Is leading 2,562 8:19 am 749. Any wages to train, unfortunately does conclude the video. Thank you all for watching.